Hey dolls, so I'm making another Jimmy Choo Cinderella inspired heel book inspired by the heel. This one is actually for my friend. The original one is right next to it. So I'm adding a few new additions, which is spraying the pages glitter, and we're going to see how that goes. And I'm also changing some of the stones, as you can see on the screen. So this one is slightly different, and I actually think it's actually neater than the one that I made originally. So we'll see how it goes. So this is for my really good friend, and I'm just going to give it to her as a gift. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Let's see how this goes. And I'll also be showing you dolls at the end a Christian Louboutin inspired book for kids that I'm about to make. So yeah, let's go shopping. Well, no, let's do this DIY video, not shopping. I'm going to spray paint it with a glitter spray paint I got from Hobby Lobby, just to give it that extra Cinderella look. And this spray paint, it actually sucks, you just need patience with it. It doesn't really spray well, if that makes any sense. You're about to see what I mean. And this is how it looks. Of course, some little pieces are gonna not catch it. It's really tricky to like really get every piece, but I can always go back in and fix that. But I kind of like it like that, you see? It's glittery. And you guys, I did it to my old one, so just stare at this one. I'm gonna show you how my original version is. Hold on. So here's my original. You see how gorgeous this is, the edges. For some reason, that spray can just does not want to catch. You see? This is the original Jimmy Choo book that I made. So we're going to work on this one. Glue down on this. I actually used this glue here, spray adhesive, and I'm going to attach the glitter sheet on there. Really carefully, be really careful. You just want to get it nice and neat on here. There. So let that dry. I'm just gonna let it sit and dry and just take it all in. It's so pretty already. I feel like, see, look at all this like glitter. You're not really meant to open this book, by the way, so I wouldn't open it, just so the glitter doesn't keep falling off. But it's still kind of wet, so I'm gonna let it dry. But it's so pretty. For this project, the last time I used E6000 glue, this is so much better. It works so much better with this crystal fabric. So use this spray adhesive. I know it's kind of expensive compared to the E6000 glue, but it's worth it. I mean, you do the job quicker. So I've got this right here. Oh, there's like glue right on this table, but I've got some of this and my hand's got glitter all over it. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to take these pins out. I just used it to measure like the book. And take the pins out. Take the strip. And I love how this glue like gets tacky really quickly. I'm going to put that down. And you want to get it as close to the edge as possible. I might do this off camera. And I'll show you how it looks like once I glue it down, because this glue glues really quickly. About this again, this glue is the bomb.com. Gorilla Glue, can you sponsor this video please, and sponsor me, because this glue literally is made for this fabric. If you watch my other video, you'll see how this was hard to like fuse these two together, but as you can see, this is like immediately I sprayed the glue, it just responded. So this is the best glue for this project, for this particular fabric. It's like seamless. Oh my god, I'm happy I'm showing you how to do this video all over again. This is the perfect glue. Use this glue when you're dealing with this crystal sheets. It is seamless. Can you look at the edges and see how on point the edges is? And I'm going to turn this round. I don't realize, see, it's glued down really quickly. I don't like touching it too much when I'm letting things dry. Okay, look. Do you see the edges? It's like made for each other. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to just get the words on here that says Jimmy Choo next. I've cut them out and I've put them aside. They're actually here. It's painstaking, you guys, to cut these words out, but I've cut them out and I'm gonna get them ready to glue on top of it. My trusty Podge glue, I know it sounds funny. I'm gonna just take a little bit out and glue it on here and get the words on there. More thing, because I know if you haven't watched the other video, which I'll suggest go and watch it to know everything I bought. The books are from Dollar Tree, just a plain book. I spray painted it. I spray painted this silver. They're all from Dollar Tree. Just buy a plain book to the size you want and do what I do. So in case you're wondering where I got the books from, plain books from Dollar Tree, $1, spray painted it silver to just look like the shoe. So the jewels are out. So these are all the I was going to say the diamonds. These are all the jewels I'm going to be using. Diamonds. Okay. So this is the one I used last time, this little one right here. This is the new one, and this is like as close as possible to the Jimmy Choo, the ones that he has on the shoes. And then it also comes with these small ones, and here's the ones I used originally on the first one, as you can see, look. And here's the big one, so they're like different sizes. So this is the new updated one that I got for $7.99, and of course I used my 40% off discount at Hobby Lobby, and as you can see it's different, so you have to get two sets. So get this set here and then this set here, and I'm going to also be using these small little AB crystals. They're hard to see inside here, different sizes. As you can see, the sizes are like SS30, it's like, whoa, really blingy and blinding, and then this one SS20. So I'm gonna get started, I guess. So I'm gonna start off as usual in the corner, and the edges similar to this book right here. We're gonna try and I might do something different. It actually really depends. I don't know, we'll see how this goes, what I'm gonna come up with it, what I'm gonna create. I was thinking of even going around the edges like that. I don't know, this is totally freestyling, so I'm just gonna like show you as I go along. Stick the gems down and the diamonds or the crystals or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using the E6000 glue, my trusty. You can see how used up this is, to put them all down. So yeah, for this I will use the E6000. To stick this, I'll use the Gorilla Glue. I want to show you the sticker that came in the mail today. Louboutin is coming up next. It is fire, it is bomb. Get ready for that. Valentino, I just printed this out, so I'm going to be doing Valentino next. So this is the front of the book and this is the side. Chanel, that's probably going to be the next one can't wait to show you. Gucci, Christian Louboutin, so to go with the other sticker. Can't wait. Dolce & Gabbana, and here's the other part to it. So as you can see, I have like a bunch of designers that I'm going to be doing, and all the books are going to be different. So if I were you, I'll stay tuned on my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because you don't want to miss, oh my god, the Louboutin ones are going to be bomb. You don't want to miss the Louboutin. You don't want to miss any of the designers. They look exactly, my ideas I have look exactly like the designer bag or the shoe. So stay tuned. I can't wait to show you dolls what I'm doing with this. I would give you So here is the Louboutin baby book. So this one is for kids, and this is a mini. The next one I'm going to do is for adults, but if you want me to do the kids DIY, and by the way, I'm going to paint the pages red. Yes, I'm that extra. Comment below if you want to see me do the baby one on camera, because I'm going to do it anyway. So it's done. This is how it looks like when it's done. And the H is a piece I cut out because I actually lost the original H. The edges, the glue, the spray didn't really like want to stick. I may have to do more off camera, but this is what I used, the Krylon spray paint, and it's from Hobby Lobby, and it really did not want to stick on the book. So I'm going to do some more off camera, but I have to cover the actual book because now we've got the crystals on there. So yeah, I guess we're done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what other designers you want me to do, because I'm going to be doing a series on this of different designer books, DIYs, coffee table book DIYs on my channel. So again, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming along, and definitely subscribe down below. And thanks so much for watching. Love you dolls. Some mooches. Bye.